Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Morning, morning, noon, and night. Keep them clean and shiny bright. Smile so big and white. Up and down and round and round and round. Brush them nice and slow.
Front and back and all around. Watch your smile glow.
Take your time. Don't rush. Healthy teeth are happy teeth. So brush and brush and brush.